Ready for an adventure? You bet! Let's go! Wah! Let's do the slide!
Ready for today's adventure, Luna?
Always.
Let's go save the playground!
Yeah, adventure time! This gadget will help.
Let's go, hero! Right behind you!
Feel the power!
Awesome!
I can't breathe well.
Here. It's okay, I'm here.
It's okay, Leo. I'm right here.
Heroes, remember what to do? Slow breaths, like the wind. In through the nose, out through the mouth.
And now, your hero tool. You got this. I feel better!
You did exactly what heroes do.
When we stay calm,
Breath slow and use our tools.
we are stronger than the squeeze. Remember, if breathing doesn't get better, always tell a grown-up. You are an asthma hero.
We are
Breathe strong.
asthma heroes, breathing calm and strong. When we take deep breaths, we can't go wrong. Puffito guides us soft and light. We stay brave, we stay bright. Breathe